Hello again. I wasn't planning on doing another video today, but it just so happens because the garbanzo beans are sprouted so nicely, I decided to go ahead and put them in a container and get them going. So here we go. I've set up my seed tray with some plastic canvas to keep the seeds from sitting completely in the water. And this seed tray has like little rivers in it, so that's going to be holding the water. And I'm going to put weights on this, so I'm not going to show you that today, but I'll show you that the next time I do a video. So we're going to put in just a little bit of water that has a bit of nutrient in it. Some of the Fox Farm Grow Big, just a tiny bit though, because I realized that the seeds will have their own nutrients for the growing sprouts. So anyway, so here we go. I'm just going to pour these right in here, and I've rinsed these to get them ready. And I think this is a pretty good amount to throw in here. We'll see how it goes. I know you're not supposed to crowd them, so this looks like it's going to be a perfect amount of seeds for this experiment. I think this is really going to be fun. So what you do after this is you're going to, or I'm going to, put a weight on the seeds to encourage the roots to go down, and that'll be cool. So we're going to see how this goes. I think it'll be fun to see how they grow. There are a lot of experiments on and videos talking about microgreens on YouTube, so this is just kind of a different way. I don't think I've seen anyone use plastic canvas yet, so this is kind of a different approach. But there's so many things you can use. Like on this one, I'm using a kitchen towel, which is pretty funny. But you know what? I saw a video the other day of a guy using quilt batting. And I mean, he was charging a lot of money for the kit, which is basically one of these trays, and the quilt batting that fits in here, and that's it, and a package of seeds. So it's like and a lot of money. And I figured, well, you know what, if I wanted to do it that way, I could just get some batting. And then I started thinking about all the other ways that I could possibly make this work. So this is my approach, and we'll see how it goes. You know, it's fun and exciting to see different ways of doing the same thing but cheaper, and of course I had this on hand, so why not? So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Click like if you did, and go ahead and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.